So why do so many property managers miss the big picture? Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taurua region. So here's what I see. Property managers have a mindset of checking the tenant. If it's reasonably clean, they're happy. However, they often overlook the property itself and its maintenance needs. How do we know this? We hear it constantly from people who come to us. So here's 3 things we hear most. At property inspections, a tenant told me recently the previous property manager practically walked out a couple of minutes later. My first inspection at that property took quite a while. Deferred maintenance everywhere and foliage blocking over windows and blocking the light into the bedrooms. Broken fixtures all missed. You see, quite a few property managers are only tenant focused. If it's reasonably clean, tick the box, move on. They're not looking at the property holistically. Property presentation, particularly when tenants move in to a new rental. The most common complaint from tenants is the property wasn't clean when I moved in. Still, the property managers expect tenants to leave everything spotless. If you want those high standards, make sure it's clean before tenants move in. Communication. Tenants tell us they never got back to me about repairs. Owners tell us I couldn't reach them. Repairs weren't being done or they were too expensive. I don't think they were looking after my best interests. We hear a lot. How do we do it differently? Instead of narrow focus, take a holistic approach. Property condition and maintenance. Small issues caught early before costs blow out. That serves both tenants and owner. Clear communication, properties presented clean, thorough inspection, the bigger picture. The results, better outcomes for everyone. Hey, look, I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. If you do have a rental and property in an area and need help, let's chat. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.